Multiple choice question MSS Excel. Question number 1. What is Microsoft Excel? Options are a web browser, a word processing program, a graphic design tool, a spreadsheet application. Answer D, a spreadsheet application. Explanation. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application used for organizing, analyzing, and visualizing data through tables, charts, and formulas. Question number 2. Who invented MS Excel and in which year? Option A. Richard Brody 1985. Option B. Steve Jobs 1985. C. Bill Gates 1983. Gary Kildale 1980. Correct answer is Richard Brody. Answer A. Richard Brody. Explanation. MS Excel was developed by Richard Brody and was first released in 1985 as a part of the Microsoft Office suite. Question number 3. What is the default extension for an Excel workbook? Options are Option A. XLX, Option B. .XLS, Option C. .txt, Option D. .csv. Correct answer is Option A. .xlsx. Explanation. The default file extension for Excel workbook is .xlx, which is the format for Excel workbooks without macros. Question number 4. Which file format is used to save Excel workbooks with macros? Option A. .xlsx, Option B. .xlsb, Option C. .xlsm, Option D. .csv. Correct answer is Option C. .xlsm. Explanation. Workbooks with macros are saved with .xlsm file extension. A .xlsm file extension. Question number 5. What is the function used to calculate the sum of a range of cells? Option A. Add. Option B. Sum. Option C. Average. Option D. Count. Correct answer is Option B. Sum. Explanation. The sum function is used to add the values of a range of cells in Excel. Question number 6. What is the purpose of filter feature in Excel? Option A. To sort the data. Option B. To delete data. Option C. To display only the data that meets certain criteria. Option D. To add rows. Correct answer is Option C. To display only the data that meets certain criteria. Explanation. The filter feature allows users to view only rows that match the specified criteria, hiding the rest. Question number D. How do you start a formula in Excel? Option A. By typing @. Option B. By typing hash. Option C. By typing plus. Option D. By typing is equal to. Correct answer is Option D. By typing is equal to sign. Formula in Excel always begin with an equal sign. Question number 8. Function used to count the number of numerical values in range. Option A. Count. Option B. Count blank. Option C. Count if. Option D. Count A. Correct answer is Option A. Count. The count function counts only numerical values in a range of cells. Question number 8. Question number 9. How can you insert a new worksheet in an Excel workbook? Option A. Press Ctrl N. Option B. Right click on a worksheet tab and select Insert. Option C. Right click on the cell and select Insert. Option C. Use the Revert Insert tab in the ribbon. Correct answer is Option B. Right click on a worksheet tab and select Insert. Explanation. To insert a new worksheet, right click on a worksheet tab and choose the Insert or click plus button at the bottom of the sheet tabs. Question number 8. Dash is an Excel cell or chart type in Excel. Option B. A toolbar in Excel. Option C. A type of formula. Option D. An individual book in a worksheet for data entry. Correct answer is Option D. An individual box in a worksheet for data entry. Explanation. An Excel cell is the basic unit of a worksheet where data like text, numbers, or formulas can be entered. Question number 11. What is an Excel spreadsheet? A toolbar for formatting cells. Option B. A type of chart in Excel. Option C. A grid of rows and columns for organizing and analyzing data. Option D. A collection of documents. Correct answer is option C. Option C, a grid of rows and columns for organizing and analyzing data. An Excel spreadsheet is a grid of rows and columns used to organize, calculate, and analyze data. It is the main interface of Microsoft Excel. Question number 12. What is an Excel worksheet? Option A, a collection of multiple separate sheets. Option B, a single sheet within an Excel workbook. Option C, a chart tool in Excel. Option D, a type of formula for calculations. Correct answer is option B. Option B, a single sheet within an Excel workbook. Explanation. An Excel worksheet is a single sheet in a workbook consisting of a grid of rows and columns where data, formulas, and charts can be organized and analyzed. What is an Excel workbook? Option A, a formula for calculations. Option B, a collection of worksheets in a single file. Option C, a file of charts in Excel. Option D, a single sheet in Excel. Correct answer is answer B, a collection of worksheets in a single file. Explanation. An Excel workbook is a file that contains one or more worksheets, allowing user to organize and analyze data across multiple sheets in a single document. Question number 14. What is an Excel macro? A set of recorded action to automate tasks. Option B, a function for formatting text. Option C, a type of formula for calculations. Option D, a tool for creating charts. Correct answer is answer A. Explanation. An Excel macro is a set of recorded actions or code that automates repetitive tasks in Excel written in VBA, Visual Basic for Applications. Question number 15. What is an Excel graph? Option A, a type of worksheet, a table of numbers. Option C, a visual representation of data similar to a chart. Option D, a tool for creating formulas. Correct answer is answer C, a visual representation of data similar to chart. Explanation. An Excel graph is essentially the same as an Excel chart, providing a visual representation of data to help analyze trends and relationships. Question number 16. What is an Excel range? Option A, a formatting style. B, a collection of multiple workbooks. Option C, a group of selected cells in a worksheet. Option D, a type of chart. Correct answer is option C, a group of selected cells in a worksheet. Answer. Explanation. An Excel range refers to a selection of cells in a worksheet which can be used for data entry, formatting, or calculations. Question number 17. What is an Excel data table? Option A, a tool for creating charts, a table that stores only text data. Option C, a type of worksheet. Option D, a structured range of data used for analysis and calculations. Correct answer is option D. Explanation. An Excel table is a structured range of data used to organize information and perform calculations or analysis, such as for financial models or what-if scenario. Question number 18. Which function is used to calculate the average in a range of cells? Option A, sum. Option B, max. Option C, average. Option D, count. Correct answer is option C, average. Average function computes the arithmetic mean of the specified range of cells. Question number 19. What is the shortcut key used to save an Excel workbook? Option A, Ctrl S. Option B, Ctrl plus P. Option C, Ctrl plus C. Option D, Ctrl plus B. Correct answer is A, Ctrl plus S. Ctrl plus S is the shortcut key for saving an Excel workbook. Question number 20. What does VLOOKUP function do? Deletes a row. Option B, searches for data in columns. Option C, searches for data in rows. Option D, calculates a vertical sum. Correct answer is answer B. Explanation. The VLOOKUP function searches for a value in the first column of a table and returns a value in the same row from another column. वेलकम बैक टु एभ्री वान. यो चाहिँ एमएस एक्सेलको पार्ट 2 रहेछ. यसमा चाहिँ हामीले अझै 20वटा मल्टिपल चोइस क्वेसन गर्नेवाला छौँ र यसको क्वेसन नम्बर 21 छ. हाउ डु यु चेन्ज द ब्याकग्राउन्ड कलर अफ अ सेल इन एक्सेल? अप्सन ए, प्रेस Ctrl B. Option B, use the fill color button in the ribbon. Option C, right click and select background color. Option D, use the font color. Correct answer is option B, use the fill color button in the ribbon. Question number 22. Question number 22 is where is the Excel solver? Option A, in the view tab. Option B, in the insert tab. Option C, in the formula tab. Option D, in the home tab. Correct answer is answer C, in the formula tab. The Excel solver tool is located in the formulas tab and is used to find an optimal solution to a problem by changing the values in a set of cells. Question number 23 is how are cells named in MS Excel? Option A, by using a formula. Option B, by column letter only. Option C, by combining column letter and row number. Option D, by row number only. इसको करेक्ट आंसर रहेछ आंसर सी, by combining column letter and row number. यसरी चाहिँ हामीले सेल्सलाई नेम गरिएको छ एमएस एक्सेल मा. Explanation छ cells in MS Excel are named using a combination of the column letter and row. Example रहेछ A1. A भनेको चाहिँ column भयो, 1 भनेको चाहिँ row भयो. Where A is the column and 1 is the row. Row चाहिँ नम्बर मा लिन्छ है 1 2 3 अनि column चाहिँ ABCD alphabetic हुन्छ. Question number 24. How do you merge two or more cells in MS Excel? Example A, use the sum function. Option B, click merge and center in the home tab. Option C, use Ctrl plus M. Option D, right click and select merge. Correct answer is option B. Click merge and center in the home cell. The merge and center position on home tab merges selected cells into one. हामीले चाहिँ दुई या तीनवटा सेललाई एउटै सेल बनाउन पर्यो भने त्यसको लागि चाहिँ हामीले मर्ज युज गरिन्छ है. क्वेशन नम्बर 25. What is an Excel template? Excel template भनेको के हो? Option A, a pre-designed separate sheet for a specific task. Option B, a set of formulas. Option C, a collection of charts. Option D, a tool for analyzing data. Correct answer is the option A. Template भनेको के हो? Option A, a pre-designed separate sheet for a specific task. अब इसको explanation के छ? An Excel template is a pre-designed spreadsheet that can be used for specific tasks such as budgeting, scheduling, or invoicing, allowing users to fill in their own data. Template भनेको के हो? एउटा रेडीमेड spreadsheet हुन्छ, त्यसलाई चाहिँ हामीले अलिकति एडिट गरेर युज गर्न सकिन्छ. Question number 26. What does the freeze panes feature do? Option A, changes the font style. Option B, locks specific rows and columns in place. Option C, hides the ribbon. Option D, deletes unwanted data. Correct answer is option B. यसले के गर्छ? Locks the specific rows and columns in place. Explanation छ, the freeze panes feature locks specific rows and columns, making them visible while scrolling. हामीले स्क्रोल गर्दै जाँदा फ्रीज पेन जुन हेडिङ हुन्छ त्यो चाहिँ त्यही रहन्छ, त्यो चाहिँ स्क्रोल चाहिँ हुँदैन है अरूसँग. Question number 27. How do you apply a formula to a cells in a column? Use control. Option A, use Control F. Option B, copy and paste. Option C, right click and select apply formula. Option D, drag the fill handle down. Correct option is answer D. Dragging the fill handle down applies the formula to all selected cells in a column. Option D, drag the fill handle down. Question number 28. How do you hide a row in a cell? How do you hide a row in a cell? Option A, right click the row number and select hide. Right click on the worksheet tab and select hide row. Option C, press Ctrl plus H. Option D, use the home tab in the ribbon. Correct answer रहेछ option A, right click the row number and select hide. यो चाहिँ हामीले row hide गर्नको लागि है. What is chart? What is chart? What is an Excel chart? Option A, a tool for creating formulas. Option B, a visual representation of data. Option C, a table of data. Option D, a type of worksheet. Correct answer is option B, a visual representation of data. Chart like के भनिन्छ? एउटा visual representation of data हो. An Excel chart is a graphical representation of data such as bar, line or pie chart, usually used to visualize, analyze, present information. Question number 30 रहेछ. What is Excel ribbon? Option A, a specified sheet in a workbook. Option B, a cell formatting option. Option C, a type of formula. Option D, a bar at the top of the Excel window that contains various tools and commands. Correct answer is option D. Excel ribbon भनेको के हो? A bar at the top of the Excel window that contains various tools and command. एउटा ribbon bar, toolbar located at the top of the Excel window that organize commands and tools into tabs such as home, insert and formulas. त्यसलाई ribbon भनिन्छ. Question number 31. How can you download MS Excel for free? Option A, by using the trial version from the Microsoft website. Option B, by downloading from unofficial websites. Option C, by purchasing it from a third-party retailer. Option D, by using a pirated version. Option A के छ, by using a trial version. Question number 32 रहेछ. What is an Excel dashboard? भनेको के हो? Option A, a tool for editing cell data. Option B, a collection of charts and tables to visualize data in one row. Option C, a type of Excel formula. Option D, a way to organize worksheets. The correct answer is option B. An Excel dashboard is a visual display of key data points, often using charts, graphs, and tables to help monitor and analyze data in a concise and interactive way. Question number 23. What is the Excel formula for calculating percentage? Option A is equal to A1 asterisk 100 slash B1. Option B is equal to A1 slash B1. Option C is equal to A1 asterisk B1. Option D is equal to A1 plus B1. Correct answer is A. Percentage basic के होना पर्यो into 100. त्यही is equal to A1 into 100 divided by B1. Calculates the percentage of A1 relative to B1 by multiplying the results by 100. Question number 33. What is the Excel formula for multiplication? Option A is equal to A1 plus B1. Option B is equal to A1 asterisk B1. Option C is equal to A1 minus B1. Option D is equal to A1 slash B1. So correct answer is answer B, is equal to A1 asterisk B1. Question number 35 रहेछ. How can you quickly select an entire column in Excel? Option A, press Alt plus C. Option B, press Ctrl plus C. Option D, click on the column header. Option D, click any cell in the column. Correct answer is option C, click on the column header. हामीले column header मा click गरे भने त्यो entire column के हुँदो रहेछ select हुन्छ. Question number 36 रहेछ. Which function is used to join two or more text strings? Option A, text join. Option B, concatenate. Option C, merge. Option D, join. Correct answer is D, concatenate. The concatenate function combines two or more text strings into one. For example, concatenate hello world results in hello world. In newer Excel version, the text join function is also available for advanced text joining. Concatenatedले दुईटा टेक्स्ट स्ट्रिङहरुलाई जोइन गर्दो रहेछ. जसरी फर्स्ट नेम या लास्ट नेम हुन सक्छ. Question number 37 छ. Which type of chart is best for showing trends over time? Option A, scatter chart. Option B, bar chart. Option C, line chart. Option D, pie chart. Correct answer is option C, line chart. Explanation. A line chart is ideal for showing trends over time as it displays data points connected by lines, making changes over intervals easily visible. Question number 38. What does trim function do? Converts text to uppercase, removes spaces from the text, accepts single spaces between words, rounds a number to a specific decimal, finds the length of the text. Question answer is answer B. Removes spaces from the text, accepts single spaces between the words. Example, trim function removes extra spaces from the text, leaving only one single space between words. For example, trim hello world result in hello world. यसमा चाहिँ hello अगाडि एउटा स्पेस छ. हामीले trim फंक्शन युज गर्यो भने त्यो hello अगाडिको स्पेस चाहिँ के हुन्छ रिमुभ गर्छ. तर यसले एउटा स्पेस चाहिँ रिमुभ गर्दैन, जो चाहिँ दुईवटा वर्ड्सको बीचमा जुन स्पेस हुन्छ नि हो त्यसलाई चाहिँ रिमुभ गर्दैन. तर त्यसको अगाडि र पछाडीको स्पेसलाई रिमुभ गर्छ ट्रिमले. एक्स्ट्रा स्पेसलाई रिमुभ गर्छ, वर्ड्सहरुको बीचमा भएको स्पेसलाई रिमुभ गर्दैन है. फर एक्जाम्पल यहाँ वर्डको पछाडी एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस थियो अनि हेलोको अगाडि नि एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस थियो, त्यसलाई रिमुभ गरेर हेलो वर्ल्ड बनाए. तर यो दुईटाको बीचमा स्पेस चाहिँ एउटा स्पेस चाहिँ रहिरह्यो है. यो चाहिँ ट्रिम फंक्शनले काम गर्छ. क्वेशन नम्बर 39. हाउ क्यान यु कम्बाइन Question number 39. How can you combine data from multiple sheets into one in Excel? Option A, by copying and pasting. Option B, by using VLOOKUP. Option C, by using flash fill. Option D, by using consolidate. Correct answer is option D, by using consolidate. Consolidate feature combines data from multiple sheets or ranges, useful for summarizing large data sets. Last question, question number 40 रहेछ. What does now function return? Option A, a specific timestamp. Option B, the current date only. Option C, the current date and time. Option D, the current time only. Answer C छ. The current date and time. The now function returns the current date and time based on the system's clock. Now ले चाहिँ के गर्दो रहेछ, current date and time लाई चाहिँ return गर्दो रहेछ. आजको लागि यति भयो है MS Excel को लागि. Thank you.